My name's Lisa Ahmad, and welcome to Lisa's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a special dish that I've perfected for my restaurant. It's called chicken Boti Karahi. What we use in this dish is a Pakistani Indian style chicken that's barbecued. It's fully cooked. Then we take onion, bell pepper, both red and green, fresh tomatoes, garlic and ginger, and tomato sauce. We like to use spices in our dishes, so today we're using red chili, turmeric, coriander, and cumin. So to start this dish, we're going to take our oil. I like to use grapeseed oil. About 2 tablespoons. Over a medium-high heat, you're going to add your onions. And just give them a light saute. Once your onions achieve a nice golden brown, you're going to add your ginger and your garlic and stir it around just for another minute. You don't want your onion and garlic to burn. So after that, we're going to add our spices. And again, we're just toasting the spices for a minute or so. Next, we're going to add our tomato. I like to add about a half cup. And to that, I like to add some water just to thin it out. Okay, now we're going to add our green bell pepper, red bell pepper, chopped tomatoes, and our barbecue chicken. Give everything a bit of a mix just to coat. Once you've got everything mixed together, take a lid. Lower the heat down to about medium simmer and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. So after about 15 to 20 minutes, we remove our lid. And I like to taste for the salt at the end because of the barbecued chicken, it has its own salt. We don't want to make it too salty. Give it another little stir. And we're going to serve it in this serving dish here alongside some naan. I like to garnish it with a little bit of cilantro. It looks pretty and it makes it really tasty. And there you have it, chicken Boti Karahi.